crazy world we're in today, a messed up world we're living. Hope you stay safe, hope you stay sane. It's a wacky world, some might say. I hope you haven't lost your way. Hope you stay safe, hope you stay sane. I never thought the apocalypse would look this way. Never thought a little virus would make me say, it's a crazy world we're in today. Since we're apart, we might as well say, hope you stay sane, hope you stay safe, hope you have toilet paper. Won't you please? Oh, won't you please? Won't you please stay 6 feet away at all times and wash your hands? Welcome back to the studio, Ryan, aka BloodShot Airbrushing, and we are back despite the coronavirus. We've got bills to pay. You know what I'm saying.
It's such a good feeling to know you're alive. It's such a happy feeling